What if I told you that you could literally burn belly fat while you're sleeping? That the secret to finally losing that stubborn stomach weight isn't another grueling workout or starvation diet, but 6 specific drinks that turn your body into a fat-burning machine overnight? Stick around, because what I'm about to share could completely change how you approach weight loss. Look, we've all been there. You're working out, watching what you eat, but that belly fat just won't budge. Here's what most people don't know. Your metabolism doesn't shut down when you sleep. In fact, nighttime is when some of your most important fat-burning processes happen, but only if you give your body the right fuel. These 6 drinks aren't magic potions, but they work with your body's natural overnight processes to maximize fat burning while you rest. Let's break down exactly how to use each one, the perfect portions, and the science behind why they work. Number 1 is warm water with apple cider vinegar. And this is the heavyweight champion of nighttime fat burners. Here's exactly how to prepare it. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with 8 ounces of warm water. The key word here is raw and unfiltered. You want the kind with the mother in it, that cloudy substance at the bottom of the bottle. That's where all the beneficial enzymes and probiotics live. Now, timing is crucial. Drink this 30 to 45 minutes before bed, not right before you lie down. Why? Because apple cider vinegar is acidic, and you don't want that sitting in your esophagus while you're horizontal. The warm water helps your body absorb it better and also signals to your digestive system that it's time to wind down. Here's what's happening in your body. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar actually prevents fat accumulation. Studies show it can boost your metabolism by up to 12% while you sleep. It also stabilizes blood sugar levels overnight, which is critical because blood sugar spikes trigger insulin. And insulin tells your body to store fat, especially around your midsection. By keeping those levels stable, you're literally preventing fat storage while you sleep. Pro tip: if the taste is too strong, add half a teaspoon of raw honey or a squeeze of lemon. Just don't go overboard with the honey. You don't want to add unnecessary sugar right before bed. Number 2 is chamomile tea, and this one's a double threat. Not only does it burn fat, but it also helps you sleep better, which is essential for weight loss. Here's your recipe. Steep 1 to 2 chamomile tea bags in 8 to 10 ounces of hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. Don't rush this. The longer steeping time extracts more of the beneficial compounds. Drink this 45 minutes to an hour before bed. You want to give yourself enough time to finish it without waking up multiple times to use the bathroom. Nobody's burning fat when they're stumbling to the bathroom at 3 a.m. Here's the science that changes everything. Chamomile contains an antioxidant called apigenin that binds to specific receptors in your brain. This doesn't just help you relax, it actively reduces cortisol levels. Now, why does this matter for belly fat? Cortisol is literally called the stress hormone, and when it's elevated, your body shifts into survival mode and stores fat, particularly visceral fat, around your organs and belly. By drinking chamomile before bed, you're lowering cortisol throughout the night, which means your body can actually access stored fat for energy instead of holding onto it. Plus, better sleep equals better weight loss. When you sleep deeply, your body produces more growth hormone, which burns fat and builds muscle. Chamomile helps you achieve that deeper, more restorative sleep. It's like hitting 2 birds with 1 stone. Lower stress hormones and better sleep quality, both working together to melt belly fat while you rest. One important note: don't add sugar or milk. Keep it pure. If you absolutely need sweetness, use a tiny amount of stevia, which won't spike your blood sugar. Number 3 is ginger tea. And this is where things get really interesting because ginger literally raises your internal temperature to burn more calories. Here's how to make the most powerful version. Slice a 1 to 2 inch piece of fresh ginger root into thin pieces. You can also grate it for even more potency. Steep it in 8 to 10 ounces of hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. The longer you steep, the stronger and more effective it becomes. Best time to drink this? 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Some people find ginger slightly energizing, so if you're sensitive, stick to 60 minutes before sleep to give your body time to process it. Here's what makes ginger a fat-burning powerhouse. It contains compounds called gingerols and shogaols that increase thermogenesis. That's the fancy term for your body producing heat. When your body produces heat, it burns calories. What's incredible is that ginger keeps this thermogenic effect going for hours, meaning even while you're sleeping, your metabolism is running hotter than normal. Studies have shown that ginger can increase calorie burning by up to 16%, and specifically targets belly fat by improving insulin sensitivity. There's another hidden benefit here. Ginger improves digestion and helps empty your stomach more efficiently. When your digestive system isn't overloaded while you sleep, your body can focus energy on cellular repair and fat metabolism instead of breaking down a heavy meal. This is why you should never eat a big meal right before bed if you're trying to lose belly fat. Want to supercharge this drink? Add a pinch of cayenne pepper or a squeeze of lemon. The cayenne adds even more thermogenic power, and the lemon helps with liver detoxification, which is essential for fat metabolism. But start small with the cayenne. A tiny pinch is enough. You're trying to burn fat, not your throat. Number 4 is cinnamon water. And this one's a game changer for anyone who struggles with late-night cravings or blood sugar issues. Here's the simple recipe. Add 1 teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon powder to 8 ounces of warm water. You can also use a cinnamon stick if you prefer. Just steep it for 15 to 20 minutes to extract all the beneficial compounds. The key detail here: use Ceylon cinnamon, not cassia cinnamon. Ceylon is the true cinnamon and is safer for daily consumption. Cassia contains higher levels of coumarin, which can be harmful to your liver in large amounts over time. Drink this 30 minutes before bed, and here's why the timing matters. Cinnamon's main fat-burning power comes from its ability to regulate blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity. When you drink this before bed, it keeps your blood sugar stable throughout the night. This is absolutely critical because when your blood sugar drops overnight, your body releases cortisol to raise it back up. Remember, cortisol equals belly fat storage. By keeping blood sugar stable, you're preventing that cortisol spike and keeping your body in fat-burning mode instead of fat storage mode. Cinnamon also slows down the emptying of your stomach, which means you feel fuller longer and won't wake up with those 2 a.m. hunger pangs that lead to midnight snacking. Plus, it has anti-inflammatory properties that reduce inflammation in fat cells, making it easier for your body to break down stored fat. Here's a bonus tip. You can prepare this ahead of time. Make a large batch by simmering cinnamon sticks in water. Let it cool, and store it in the refrigerator. Just warm up 8 ounces before bed each night. Number 5 is Dandelion Tea. And this is your secret weapon against bloating and water retention that makes your belly look bigger than it actually is. Here's how to prepare it. Use 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried dandelion root or leaves, or 1 to 2 tea bags. Steep in 8 ounces of hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Timing is important with this one. Drink it 60 to 90 minutes before bed. Why the longer time? Because dandelion is a natural diuretic, meaning it makes you urinate more. You want to give your body time to flush out that excess water before you actually try to sleep, or you'll be up all night running to the bathroom. Here's what dandelion does for belly fat. It works as a gentle diuretic, helping your body eliminate excess water and sodium that cause bloating. A lot of what we think is belly fat is actually water retention and inflammation. By reducing this, you can lose inches off your waist quickly. Some people notice a difference within just a few days, but dandelion does more than just flush water. It supports liver and kidney function, and your liver is your primary fat-burning organ. When your liver is functioning optimally, it processes fat more efficiently. Dandelion also contains compounds that may help regulate blood sugar and reduce fat absorption from your diet. One important caution: because it's a diuretic, don't drink this every single night. Use it 3 to 4 times per week to avoid becoming dependent on it or disrupting your electrolyte balance. And stay well hydrated throughout the day when you use dandelion tea at night. Number 6 is a protein shake before bed, and this might surprise you, but it's actually one of the most effective fat burners on this list. Here's the exact formula. Mix 20 to 30 grams of slow-digesting protein powder, preferably casein, with 8 to 12 ounces of unsweetened almond milk or water. You can add a handful of spinach or a tablespoon of almond butter for extra nutrients and healthy fats, but keep it under 200 total calories. Drink this 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Not right before you lie down, because you want to give your body time to start digesting. Here's the science that most people miss. When you sleep, your body goes into a fasting state for 6 to 8 hours. During this time, if it doesn't have amino acids available, it will break down muscle tissue for energy. That's terrible for fat loss because muscle is metabolically active. It burns calories even at rest. The more muscle you lose, the slower your metabolism becomes. By drinking a slow-digesting protein shake before bed, you're providing your body with a steady stream of amino acids throughout the night. This preserves your muscle mass while your body burns fat for energy instead. Casein protein is ideal because it digests slowly over 6 to 8 hours, perfectly matching your sleep cycle. There's another powerful benefit. Protein has the highest thermic effect of all macronutrients, meaning your body burns more calories just digesting it. Up to 30% of protein's calories are burned during digestion. So while you're sleeping, your body is working harder and burning more energy just to process the protein. One crucial point: keep this shake simple and low in sugar. Don't add fruit or sweeteners that will spike your insulin right before bed. The goal is stable blood sugar and steady fat burning, not a sugar crash at midnight. So there you have it. 6 powerful drinks that turn your body into a fat-burning machine overnight. But here's the truth they don't want you to know. These drinks are tools, not magic pills. They work best when combined with a proper diet, regular exercise, and consistent sleep schedule. Pick 1 or 2 of these drinks to start with. Don't try all 6 at once. Rotate them throughout the week and pay attention to how your body responds. Consistency is everything. Drink them every night, stay patient, and watch as that stubborn belly fat finally starts to disappear. Your overnight transformation starts tonight.